Welcome to Compare to Win. The best hand wipes is probably one of the most essential items to have in your daily life, especially when you're on the go. From sanitizing your hands after touching public surfaces to quickly cleaning up spills, these wipes offer unparalleled convenience. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hand wipes, exploring what makes a great product. Number 5. Lysol Wipes, Multi-Surface Antibacterial Cleaning Wipes. Looking for household essentials? These wipes are a top choice. Whether you're stocking up for your dorm or classroom, they are essential. This 3-pack bundle is perfect for sanitizing surfaces. It's great for disinfecting bathrooms, classrooms, and public transportation. They eliminate 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. These multi-purpose cleaning wipes are 3x stronger than paper towels. Trusted by teachers and homeowners, they are great for germ-free surface protection. Use them to clean spills and remove allergens. Transform your bathroom with these wipes. From the sink to the toilet, they provide a thorough clean, ensuring your bathroom is always sparkling clean. Make sure these wipes are part of your essential travel cleaning kit. They are ideal for sanitizing surfaces on the go, from airplanes to hotel rooms. A must-have for every traveler. Explore the range of top-rated Lysol disinfecting products. This includes all-purpose cleaners, disinfectant sprays, and toilet cleaners. Use as directed. What we like? These wipes are designed for multi-surface cleaning, making them incredibly versatile. They effectively eliminate 99.9% of germs, providing peace of mind. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who values cleanliness on the go, you should consider these wipes. They are compact and perfect for sanitizing surfaces wherever you are. What people say? They clean surfaces quickly, leave a fresh scent, and give me peace of mind knowing everything is properly disinfected. Easy to open and remove one at a time. Very moist. Towards the end I wring excess moisture onto the ground or into a package of wipes that are not disinfectant wipes. Thick enough to scrub with and they don't tear easily unless the surface is rough cement. They clean really well. Number 4. Wet Ones Fresh Scent Travel Packs. These wipes eliminate 99.99% of germs, effectively tackling dirt and messes. They are designed to provide a thorough clean, ensuring surfaces are sanitized. These hand sanitizing wipes leave your hands feeling smooth, soft, and clean. They are perfect for on-the-go use, providing instant cleanliness. Enjoy the fresh scent and a touch of aloe with every wipe. The refreshing fragrance enhances the cleaning experience, leaving your hands smelling great. These scented hand wipes are tough on germs but gentle on your skin, with no sticky residue. They provide effective cleaning without leaving any unpleasant stickiness behind. These are pediatrician-tested antibacterial wipes, hypoallergenic and paraben-free. They are safe for the whole family, providing peace of mind. They leave your skin feeling clean and refreshed, not dry or sticky. Experience the perfect balance of cleanliness and comfort. What we like? These wipes kill 99.99% of germs while wiping away dirt and messes. They leave your hands feeling smooth, soft, and clean. If you are looking for a hand sanitizing wipe that is gentle on your skin and leaves a fresh scent, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who prioritize both cleanliness and skin health. What people say? They are antibacterial. Not all cleaning wipes actually kill bacteria, these do. They are virtually mess-free. No liquid to spill, and just a wipe to throw away when you're finished with it. They are small and easy to stash in a purse, carry-on, etc. Number 3. Lysol Wipes, Lemon and Lime Blossom, 480 count. These wipes are proven to eliminate 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. They are effective against 8 cold and flu viruses when used as directed. The wipes are tested and proven to kill the COVID-19 virus. It eliminates SARS-CoV-2 on hard, non-porous surfaces in just 15 seconds. These disinfecting cleaning wipes are designed for tough messes. The wipes are 3 times stronger than a standard paper towel. Use it on various surfaces throughout your home. The wipes are perfect for cleaning remotes, tablets, and smartphones. Enjoy the fresh scent of lemon and lime blossom. It safely wipes down spills and removes allergens, like pet dander and pollen. Looking for other cleaning solutions? Try other Lysol products, including all-purpose cleaners, disinfectant sprays, and toilet cleaners. What we like? These disinfecting wipes are proven to kill the COVID-19 virus, offering superior protection. They are multi-purpose and 3x stronger than a paper towel. If you have concerns about the spread of viruses and bacteria, you should consider this. It's a powerful and convenient solution for disinfecting various surfaces. What people say? These are great and do the job. These are more convenient, more effective, and less wasteful. The lemon and lime blossom scent is fresh and clean without being overpowering, and I love that they're safe to use on multiple surfaces. Number 2. Lysol Handi-Pack Disinfecting Wipes. These disinfecting wipes are proven to eliminate 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. It effectively tackles common cold and flu viruses, ensuring a clean and healthy environment. This product is tested and proven to kill the COVID-19 virus. It eliminates the virus on hard, non-porous surfaces in just 15 seconds, providing quick and effective disinfection. The wipes are designed to be 3 times stronger than a paper towel. This enhanced strength allows it to handle tough messes and provide superior cleaning power. You can use it on various surfaces beyond the kitchen and bathroom. It's safe for remotes, tablets, and smartphones, making it a versatile cleaning solution. These wipes disinfect and deodorize with a fresh scent. They safely wipe down spills and remove allergens like pet dander, dust mites, and pollen. Looking for other great cleaning products? Consider the Lysol all-purpose cleaners, disinfectant sprays, and toilet cleaners. They are all designed to provide a clean and healthy home. What we like? These wipes are tested and proven to kill the COVID-19 virus. They are designed for multi-purpose cleaning, suitable for various surfaces. If you like a fresh scent and want a reliable disinfectant, you should consider this. It's perfect for keeping your home or office clean and fresh. What people say? Package is logically designed, snap closure has worked well, and these were bought for COVID time, so they served, who will ever know, their purpose. Removal of cloths easily, consistently done, just enough moistness to clean surfaces and hands, no complaints there. These are good quality, seem to be larger and sturdier than most wipes, and are much easier to use than the wipes that come in cylinders and get stuck when you try to pull them out. Number 1. Care Touch Individually Wrapped Hand Sanitizer Wipes. These hand sanitizer wipes come individually wrapped. This makes them easy to access and keeps them from drying out. They are perfect for on-the-go use. The wipes are free of any harmful preservatives. This means they leave no unwanted scent behind. It's a safe and effective way to sanitize your hands. Its packaging is designed to be compact. This allows it to fit easily into any pocket or bag. You can easily include it with your travel-sized toiletries. This pack contains 110 individually wrapped packets. You'll have an ample supply for personal use or to share with others. Keep extras on hand for any situation. Whether you're at home, the office, or traveling, these wipes are convenient. They are easy to use anytime, anywhere. Keep yourself and others safe. What we like? These wipes come individually wrapped, making them incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. They are fragrance-free, perfect for those with sensitivities. If you are looking for a discreet and easy-to-carry sanitizing solution, you should consider this. It's ideal for keeping in your pocket, bag, or car. What people say? The wipes are sturdy, moist, and effective without drying out my hands. They are also convenient to keep in a purse, pocket, glove compartment, etc. Your hands dry quickly and don't have that dry after feeling like some wipes leave. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.